Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device. Press the bell button and please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show connecting. Please wait a moment.
Yeah.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation.
It is working great. Yeah, the quality is very good.
Hey guys, so this is the doorbell camera installed on. As you can see, it's all plastic, but there's the speaker, there's the button that'll illuminate when you press it, the camera, and that's a motion sensor. I have the chime in my hand as well. So again, all plastic, but doesn't look bad. Thing I did notice is there's a lot of fingerprints. I don't know if you can see it on here or not, but pretty visible during the day. So I'll give it a click just to show you what it looks like. So that's the chime, and the doorbell makes a noise as well. Illuminates there, and then it rings on the phone. So overall, pretty good product, but a couple cons, couple pros.